Welcome to our channel. Nobody knows your name today. Nobody sees your future yet. Every legend started once unnoticed. Unknown beginnings create unstoppable endings. Your first step can change everything. Like and subscribe to the channel for more motivation. Starting unknown is not weakness, it's how many legends begin. Nobody notices the first step, but the first step changes everything. Many wait to be seen first. Winners start before attention arrives. Every tree began as a hidden seed. Trees do not ask for applause. They grow anyway. Start like that, quietly, patiently, faithfully. You do not need a crowd to begin. You need courage to begin. Courage often starts alone. Some people laugh at small beginnings. Let them laugh. Laughter cannot stop progress. Laughter cannot stop worth. Start before confidence feels perfect. Confidence grows after action. Many creators began with 0 followers. Many speakers began trembling. Greatness often starts awkwardly. Do not fear awkward beginnings. Fear staying still. Nobody distracts you much. Nobody demands your time. Nobody expects much. Use that freedom wisely. Build skill when unseen. Build strength when unnoticed. Build character while ignored. Starting unknown teaches humility. Humility keeps learning alive. Ego blocks growth. Beginner energy invites growth. Stay teachable. Improve every day. Improve every week. Repeat every month. Small gains become giant results. A student nobody noticed studied night. Others wasted time. Results day change the room. Success loves preparation. Preparation loves privacy. Privacy is powerful. A singer once sang to empty rooms. Empty rooms trained stamina. Empty rooms trained belief. Then full rooms arrived later. Respect the empty room season. A shop owner began with one shelf. They arranged it carefully daily. Customers slowly trusted quality. Years later, many branches opened. Big things can begin tiny. Never insult tiny starts. Your first video may get few views. Post again. Your first idea may fail. Learn again. Adjust again. Winners restart often. Losers stop early. Starting unknown removes pressure. You can experiment freely. You can make mistakes cheaply. You can improve quietly. Famous mistakes become headlines. Unknown mistakes become lessons. Lessons are priceless. Use this season. Many want spotlight too early. Spotlight reveals weakness quickly. Build strength before spotlight. Then attention becomes blessing, not burden. Do not envy fast fame. Some fast fame has weak roots. Some slow growth often lasts longer. Bamboo grows roots before height. Learn from bamboo. Root first, rise later. Starting unknown heals approval addiction. You stop needing applause. You learn to work without praise. That makes you dangerous to excuses. Some only work when watched. Become one who works regardless. Integrity means effort unseen. That habit changes life. You may feel invisible now. Invisible is temporary. Skill is louder than status. Results are louder than introduction. Keep building. The world often notices finished bridges. Few notice workers laying stones. Be willing to lay stones, stone by stone, day by day, brick by brick, habit by habit. Your circle may not support you yet, start anyway. You may doubt yourself, start anyway. Action can educate doubt. Progress can calm fear. Repetition can strengthen belief. Motion creates momentum. Momentum creates confidence. Keep moving. Unknown beginnings create resilience. You face rejection early. Rejection thickens skin. You face silence early. Silence sharpens focus. You face slow results early. Slow results teach patience. Patience multiplies success. There is beauty in being underestimated. People leave you space to grow. They do not prepare for your rise. Surprise belongs to the worthy. Stay steady, stay improving. Stay steady, stay humble. If nobody claps, clap for effort internally. Respect your own progress. Celebrate consistency. Celebrate courage. Celebrate learning. Celebrate healing. You're building more than success. You're building identity. Identity drives destiny. Become someone who finishes. Become someone who returns after failure. Become someone who learns quickly. Become someone who stays kind. Become someone who keeps promises. That person wins anywhere. Starting unknown also protects peace. Fewer eyes means fewer opinions. Fewer opinions means clearer focus. Use clear focus. Deep work grows there. Great craft grows there. Mastery grows there. One day they may ask how you did it. Tell them it started small. Tell them it started daily. Tell them it started quietly. Tell them it started scared. But it started. Starting matters more than image. Actions matter more than talk. Practice matter more than promises. They all matter more than dreams alone. Dreaming is seed, working is water. Patience is sunlight, time is harvest. Keep watering your future. Some days feel slow. Slow does not mean waste. Winter trees look still. Life continues inside. Trust hidden seasons. Some mornings, motivation is low. Work anyway. Some evenings, results are missing. Learn anyway. Some weeks feel empty. Continue anyway. Anyway is powerful. Anyway creates legends. Your first chapter need not impress anyone. It needs to exist. Write it. Your first attempt need not be perfect. It needs to begin. Begin it. Your first audience may be tiny. Serve them fully. Tiny trust grows communities. Communities grow movements. Movements grow legacy. Respect one person. Respect one customer. Respect one chance. Respect one day. Great lives are built from ones. One habit, one call, one idea. One step, one more try. Stop waiting for permission. Permission often never comes. Give yourself permission. Start tired. Start scared. Start messy. Start uncertain. Start humble. Just start. Then keep going. When others sleep, improve. When others mock, improve. When others doubt, improve. When others compare, focus. Comparison steals starting energy. Protect your energy, protect your mornings. Protect your goals, protect your mind. Unknown today means freedom today. Use freedom to prepare, use pain to mature. Use silence to think, use struggle to grow. Nothing is wasted when learned from. Even mistakes can serve you. Even days can guide you. Even rejection can redirect you. Keep faith in process. Keep hands on work. Keep eyes on path. Keep heart on clean. Keep mind steady. Keep walking. Starting unknown is not punishment. It is preparation. It is training. It is blessing in disguise. It is space to become ready. The arrow goes back before forward. Pull back is not failure. It is launch setup. Your hidden season may be launch setup. Trust timing, trust effort, trust learning, trust persistence, trust the next step. Never bury the dream because of one season. Seasons change, skills compound, faith returns, doors open. New people appear, new strength emerges. Unknown beginnings can create unforgettable endings. Keep starting, keep becoming, keep believing, keep moving. Greatness often starts unknown. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.